guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming my plan with me for November 18th through November 24th. And I'm using this kit called Blessed by Planner Kate. And I have the sampler sheet along with the full box, half box sheet. And I love the Ray Dunn inspired mugs on the washi. It's so cute. So the first things that I'm going to do are put down my washi, bottom washi, and my full boxes. So it's kind of a boring week this next week, just like it was this week. We had my parents in town this last weekend. And we had also my son's first birthday party, and it was fantastic. We had it at a local, our local children's museum, and it was so much fun. So much fun. They first started off with a parade, and of course my child was like, oh my gosh, what's going on? And so other side on wrong. But my son was very confused why we all had instruments and streamers, and we walked around the museum, and the person who was working brought us down to the party room, and then we had presents. We opened presents, and then we also did the cake, and I was very pleasantly surprised that my son loved his cake. He was all for it, and yeah, he just was so excited to get the cake. Although in hindsight, we won't be doing red frosting ever again. We told the place where we got it that we wanted to, match the colors on the sheet cake, and we got a sheet cake with Winnie and Friends on it. And in hindsight, we should have asked for more neutral colors, but the red stained his hands, stained his face. When he pooped later, his poop was kind of pink, which is not surprising. And I mean, it definitely made for some interesting photos. It looked like he literally killed something, because it was he was really red. But it was adorable, and I am so glad that we had it where we had it, because I didn't have to do really any prep work. We just kind of arrived. We didn't have to do any cleanup. We just made sure everything was in the garbage. It was super nice, and we didn't have to do, again, much at all. It was so nice. And of course, having my parents here and my uncle was very nice. We got to visit and hang out, and Miles loved having his cousin here for a while. They played really well together. My nephew is 4, and so there's a pretty big age gap, 3 years, and Miles just plays with him, no big deal. It's super nice. Okay, so it is a pretty boring week this week. I think it's the calm before the storm, because this week is the last week before Thanksgiving, and I am taking off on that Monday of Thanksgiving week. So I will have a full, like 10 days off, 9 days off, including the weekends. And I'm just so excited. So excited to clean and organize my house and just get stuff ready and decorate for Christmas and do all of that stuff. So the first thing that I wanted to mark on Monday was the fact that I have my boss's parking spot again. My boss is doing like a special assignment at a school, and so he has been gone, well, so far all of the school year. And so we have been allowed to sign up for a week, and we get to park in his spot. So this week is my week to be in that spot. And then I also want to mark my videos. So this is going to be EC, plan with me. Happy Planner dashboard and a PK haul. That is going to be my videos for the week. So that's Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Okay, so that is for videos. And honestly, there's nothing else, like physical events going on. My best friend's birthday is on Friday. So I'm gonna put the balloons and the half box on Friday. I still haven't gotten her a birthday present yet. She's like really hard to shop for, like really hard. And I don't know. We'll see. There's a couple of craft shows this weekend, and I think I probably will end up going to a couple. Maybe we'll just see if there's anything that even looks remotely fun. Okay, I'm going to put down my weekend banner on the weekend. Put that underneath here. Like that. The colors in this kit are very interesting. It's more of like a muted burgundy and then like a coppery muted. Like they're all very muted. And I don't know what's weird. It's kind of weird. Okay, so I think I'm going to use my dots here to signify laundry. So I try really hard to do load a day. So wash darks. Friday is wash whites. Because my husband wears what do you call it? Dress shirts every day, and he wears white shirts underneath his dress shirts, so I wait until Friday to wash them for the next week. Saturday, I will do another load of darks. Sunday I will do, and actually Saturday I'm also going to wash towels. Sunday I'm going to wash sheets, and I will wash, I'm going to wash something random, probably rugs. I try to do something like random every week, like a blanket that we use for like couches or when we cuddle on the couch, or like kitchen rugs or bathroom rugs or something like that, just so that things are always kind of in constant rotation of getting clean. So let's see, I'm gonna put grocery time, this grocery time sticker on a basic label here. And I'm going to put this on Friday night. We're trying to get back into the habit. My husband's gone for a while in October. And then we had a bunch of family come. And it's just been kind of busy. But we're trying to get back into the habit of grocery shopping on Friday nights. It's just easier with our schedules and it's less busy. And so we can be in and out. And we usually try to do an easy meal like from the deli. That's also another thing that I want to mark on here is my meals. And I think I'm gonna do that. Let's see, is that clear across the bottom? Yes, it is. Okay, we're trying to clean out our freezer and fridge, and I want to cook a lot of things from the freezer. So we're gonna do slow cooker carnitas. We've got soy salmon. And then Tuscan white bean pasta. Then Thursday is Brinner. Friday is leftovers, or we'll get something from the deli. Saturday, I'm gonna make chicken fried rice. And then Sunday, we're over at my in-laws. Okay. So, unfortunately, I think that's going to be it for this plan with me. This next week should be a little bit more intensive. Sorry, wow, we're already in December. So this week, the week of Thanksgiving, should be a little bit more intensive. I'm off the entire time, and I really want to concentrate on making to-do lists and getting stuff done each day. So thanks so much for watching my video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so that you're always notified when I post a video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.